Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel. Sometimes when the weather changes, I have to switch up my routine to get the results I want, so I wanted to show you guys my current summer curly routine using all Devacurl products. First, we're going to co-wash with Decadence No Poo. This is one of my favorite co-washes. The key to making this work is to use circular motions with your fingertips and massage in and massage out. Next up, I'm going to be conditioning with Decadence 1 Condition. Now what I do now is if I don't have time to deep condition for a very long time, I will layer on Heaven and Hair just while I'm in the shower. This is going to help me to detangle, and of course it's going to help when I style afterwards because my hair is going to have more moisture than if I had skipped this step. So when I'm finished with everything in the shower, I rinse all that out upside down, and then I will add in a little bit of more Heaven and Hair as I leave in, and then I wet plop while I do my makeup, and then to protect my clothes, I use this shampoo cape from my Amazon store. So one thing I have switched up is, as you see, I've switched out Super Cream for Wave Maker, and I know it says Wave Maker, but trust me, this works for curls too. It delivers lightweight moisture, and I just really like my results when I use this, and I use it the same way that I use Super Cream. So then next up, I will go in with Ultra Defining Gel, and I use a pretty good amount, especially since there's so much heat and humidity here in North Carolina. And I first go in and smooth that in, making sure to cover all of my hair, and then I start to scrunch to activate the curls. I know people think that this is a waste of product, but trust me, you want to see that milky substance when you scrunch out the excess water and product. So after using my towel, I then go in with the Set It Free, and I just target the areas where I am prone to frizz, especially my ends, and this just gives me extra hold and shine. I have a full video on diffusing, so I did not show much of the diffusing process, but I do always diffuse because I just love that it gives me extra volume, and I don't know, my curls look completely different if I air dry. And then after I diffuse, of course, I go in and I pick out my roots, but you guys don't have to do this, and I actually haven't been picking out my roots as much as I used to on day one. I kind of let it marinate for day one, and then day two and day three I pick a little more. And then after I am done picking, I just go in and finish everything off with some high shine, because who doesn't love some extra shine? If I have curls that need to be separated, I like to use high shine for that, or you can try using Wave Maker or Set It Free, or mix a little bit of high shine with Wave Maker or Set It Free, or even just add like a tiny bit of Ultra Defining Gel. There's a lot of different things you can do to make the perfect little cocktail to separate your curls, but that's about it. And then these are my results. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. Let me know down below what you thought. I hope you guys learned something new. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my next videos. Feel free to suggest anything you guys want to see from me. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.